As you know, RAXDOME focuses on geodesic glass dome. Today, we built a heat-shaped glass dome like this. Its unique heart shape was specially designed for our European client as a multifunctional glass dome. It's 9.5 meters diameter, 4.5 meters high. In this case, it was built as an independent yoga dome and a meditation dome. The whole structure is aluminum alloy, lightweight, high density, anti-rust, and durable. The modular triangle design makes the structure very stable and strong, much better than any other supplier. 4 hours can finish the building of the whole structure. The outside material is aluminum panel and insulated glass. This panel is 80mm aluminum panel. The colors can be customized to be different colors on both sides to enhance the thermal insulation. The glass provides excellent natural lighting and sound insulation, perfectly in functionality, aesthetics, and comfort. Inside, the dome height is 4.5 meters. It's ideal for yoga, meditation, wellness retreats, or psychological therapy. RAXDOME has been specialized in glass dome structures for 13 years. If you are interested, leave us a comment below. Welcome to visit our factory and contact us now.